Hey there! Let's dive into the world of healthy eating. Eating healthy is super fun and tasty. First, let's talk about fruits. They're nature's candy. Eating fruits gives you energy and keeps you strong. Next up, we have vegetables. They're super important too. Veggies help you grow and keep your body healthy. Don't forget about whole grains. They're great for your tummy. Whole grains give you fiber and keep you feeling full. And let's not skip protein. It helps build strong muscles. Eating protein keeps you active and ready for fun. So remember, eating healthy is all about balance. Let's make healthy choices and have fun with food.